Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this Meinl Cymbals. Okay, I'm actually doing two together. There is this package of hi-hats and the right crash cymbal. So you actually buy it as a one set. Okay, that's all inside the box, and I also added a smaller 12-inch crash. Okay, so since they're all cymbals, I have decided to just do the review together. And with cymbals, I do need drumsticks. If not, I wouldn't be able to test the sound. Okay, so here goes. Okay, that was much harder than I envisioned. The crash cymbal and the hi-hats are actually pretty heavy. Okay, so I've taken them out now, and there you have them sitting there. Okay, I've removed them from the package. As you can see, the hi-hat. So there's two of them. Very nice shine. So they're supposed to sit reverse, one on top of each other, and it goes inside the hi-hat stand. So with the pedal on top, you actually can control the hi-hat movement. Okay, and this is your crash cymbal. Okay, very big, 18-inch. Okay, and the smaller crash. I seem to lift it up. Okay, there it is. Okay, so it's supposed to hit on it. Okay, it's not sounding like it should be because it's not suspended, so the sound is not coming out. Okay, so once I've put it on the stand, then this thing should work pretty nicely. Okay, that will have to do for now. So until I've fixed all this onto the stands and make them part of my cajon drum set, I wouldn't be able to show you how they actually sound like. So stay tuned, come back. I'll be able to show you more. And they actually include this sticker set. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to paste all that onto my drum set or cymbals. But well, freebie. Okay, so this sums up the cymbal review. Nothing very much I can show. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do come back for more unboxing. I have one final unboxing to go. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.